Alright, we're doing some maple bacon green beans. Here's what you're making. There you go. Anyways, it's very simple, very few ingredients. You're gonna have your bacon, green beans, chili powder, and maple syrup. That's it. I like to use scissors, cut up my bacon. I peel them apart first so it doesn't really stick together. And throw them in a hot pan. Let the bacon start doing its magic, rendering out some of that fat. And trim your beans, tips and tails. Put them in a bowl. I guess you don't have to, but I do. Now when your bacon is about half done to your preference, you're going to throw your beans in there. What a concept. Now green beans don't really need to be cooked a ton, so you're going to cook them for, 5 minutes. I think that's what my hand's saying. I was drinking, but that's alright. Yeah. Stir it around. Get that salty fat all over the beans. And then, yep, okay, shaky. Now the chili powder, don't need a ton, but to your preference. Make sure you coat the beans evenly. I don't know how long I can stretch this out for, but I'm gonna try to make it a minute. Take your maple syrup, use the real stuff, it's worth it. You don't need a ton. Is it gonna come? Is it gonna come out? I think it's gonna come. Oh, man, he's dribbling a drizzle on there. But you don't need a ton. Maple syrup, they're good stuff, super strong flavor. And now you're just gonna stir it around, reduce it a little bit. And maybe like 2 minutes or so. Oh, a little bit more chili, that's all right. And that's all there is to it. Once you get a nice glaze, you're done. Your bacon should be crispy. Your beans should not be flaccid. It should be good. Enjoy.